Hi everyone, so this is for all the Aquarius people and we will be checking what is happening in the month of August for you. It is for Sun, Moon, Rising, so let's begin. Let's see what we have for August for Aquarius in the month of August. Okay, so we have chop wood, we have community, we have fork in the road, and we have thinker. Okay, so in the month of August I do feel that you will be thinking a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने वाले हो. एक fear रहने वाला है in the month of August. There will be some kind of fear, there will be some kind of anxiety when it comes to taking certain decisions in your life. Okay, there's also a possibility that you might need to clear something from your life. Okay, probably some friends or some kind of a negative influence. Okay, कुछ तो एक ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंस है जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज करता है, जिसको आप छोड़ने से पहले 10, 15, 20, 30 बार सोचोगे कि ये चीज़ मुझे करनी चाहिए या नहीं. एंड वो आप सोचोगे इसलिए बिकॉज आपको डर होगा किसी चीज़ का. Probably you are addicted to something or some kind of a pattern, some kind of people. You are probably obsessed with some kind of people or some kind of negative energies. Okay, and they kind of feed your ego, or there's something something comforting about this negative energy. Okay, और उस चीज़ को छोड़ने का टाइम आ गया है इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट. एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस आएंगे, बहुत सारी ऐसी सिचुएशंस बनेंगी where you will see that you are being presented with a situation where you don't know in which direction to go, whether you should go to right or left or what the case is. Okay, so I see you doing deep thinking, overthinking, and thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. This is what I see you doing in the month of August. But let's clarify, let's see what do we have for the first card. So what is that something that you need to chop away, but there's some kind of rigidity. So we have 2 of Pentacles, we have 10 of Pentacles, we have 4 of Wands, and we have the Hanged Man. कोई तो एक ऐसा पर्सन है आपकी फैमिली में जो कहीं ना कहीं आपके ऊपर एक इन्फ्लुएंस है. मतलब उनका डिसीजन आपके लिए एक पत्थर की लकीर होगी कि इस पर्सन ने मुझे ये चीज़ बोली तो मैं यही करूँगा या करूँगी. समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट इज़ हैपनिंग हियर. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ वेयर यू नीड टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस. एंड आई डू फील दैट यू हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस कि कैसे वो बैलेंस मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकता हूँ, क्या कर सकती हूँ, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. बट कोई सोल्यूशन उस चीज़ का निकल नहीं रहा है, और वो इसलिए नहीं निकल रहा है, इट्स लाइक मुझे ये चाहिए भी है बट मुझे ये नहीं भी चाहिए. दैट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ थिंकिंग प्रोसेस दैट यू हैव when it comes to this specific situation. It could be related to your family, it could be related to your married life also. Probably you wanting to give commitment to someone, or you wanting to मैरी समवन. तो वहाँ पे कुछ बैलेंस नहीं बैठ पा रहा है. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में, आपकी फैमिली लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. कुछ लोगों को ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लली लग सकता है कि सब छोड़ दो एंड एक अपने हर्मिट फेज पे चले जाओ, उस टाइप की एनर्जी भी लग रही है. बट हियर आई डू फील दैट देयर इज सम इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स एंड यू नीड टू let go of those opinions. You are becoming a football of others' opinions. Okay, and that is not only going to affect you, but it is going to affect your life, it is going to affect your personal relationship with your partner also. Okay, so that is there. Let's see what does the role of community is going to play here, because I do feel that some role of community is going to be significant. Six of Wands, the Moon, 5 of cups and ace of swords. So पहली चीज़ तो ये, I do feel that whenever you are in a trouble or whenever you want any kind of solution, you might go to your friends, you might run to your family members, especially to your mom, and you know उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि आपको वहाँ पे solution मिल जाएगा, but उसके बाद आप और ज़्यादा confusion में आ जाते हो. Okay, आपको वो victory मिल ही नहीं पाती है. And if you have shared something with a colleague of yours or someone from your work life, then you better not do the same thing again. Okay, because someone from your work, if you are doing it from your work life, this person is definitely not guiding you in the right direction. They can probably someone good to hang out with or to socialize with, but when it comes to giving you advices, this is a big no. Okay, this person is a big no. And for some of you, I also feel कि आप लोगों के लिए ना कम्युनिटी का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो बहुत अलग है. फॉर यू कम्युनिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ कि अच्छा, अगर मेरे पास ये 2-4 लोग भी हैं तो इन सबसे मैं सब बातें कर सकता हूँ या मैं सब बातें कर सकती हूँ, और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, बट यूनिवर्स इज़ गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लेसन टूवर्ड्स इट, एंड दैट इज़ प्रॉबली बिकॉज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट everyone is different, right? यहाँ पे सब अलग अलग हैं. Everyone is different, you are different, and the way you can connect with your partner directly, और कोई नहीं कर पाएगा और ना आपको कोई उस तरीके से suggest कर पाएगा, because they all have their own journeys, they all have their own opinions, and you need to connect directly with your partner. Okay, one on one. Let's see fork in the road. You know, एक बात बोलूँ, आप चाहे कितने कंफ्यूज हो जाओ, नो मैटर you know how conflicted you feel from inside, or how messed up or chaotic you feel from inside, but you will eventually take the decision that God wants you to take. Okay, it's just your monkey mind which is playing with you a lot, but होगा वही जो वो चाहता है. So let's see what is this energy. 4 of Cups, Infinity, King of Swords, and we have 4 of Swords. So 4 का कार्ड डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा important है. 4 is also for stability, it is also for balance, and I do see that it is a very important time for you to heal yourself. Okay, to get your mind straight, in the right direction. So probably I do think or sense that, you know, universe is creating this whole leela, this whole illusion in front of you, where your monkey mind is on, where your mind is playing with you, where there are so many thoughts and stuff like that, so that you reach to a point of exhaustion, or you reach that peak point where you have nothing else but to surrender to the universe, and that is when the true intelligence, that divine cosmic intelligence, is going to enter your mind. Okay, let's see this thinker story. What are you going to think about? I'm just wondering. Knight of Pentacles. Oh my god, you are obsessed with overthinking. Okay, some of you, either you have OCD, or there's also possibility that you just think a lot. Okay, and ऐसा भी हो सकता है that you might get lured by these different kind of habits like clubbing and smoking and, you know, one night stands and blah blah blah, but this is not going to solve anything. This is not going to give you the solution that you're looking for. तो आपका इतना सोचने का भी फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, या तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोचें एंड उसका आपको कुछ तो बेनिफिट मिले, आपको कुछ तो फ़ायदा मिले, बट आपको उससे फ़ायदा भी नहीं मिलने वाला. इंस्टेंटली आपको कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज़ होने लग जाएंगे, कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज़ हो सकते हैं. तो कुछ ऐसी नेगेटिव एनर्जी है, लाइक आई सेड, जो आपको हटाने की नीड है, स्पेशली आपकी फैमिली के उससे, एंड दिस पर्सन इज़ रियली क्लोज टू यू, सो यू नीड टू जस्ट maintain a good distance with this person. Okay, and you know what, I also feel कि आपके पास सोल्यूशन है, बट आप उस सोल्यूशन को ना बस देखते रहते हो. जैसे ये बच्चा देख रहा है इस फिश को. ओके, वो बस देखता ही रहता है, ना वो उसको खाता है और ना वो उसको पानी में छोड़ता है. ओके, So that is exactly what is happening with you. So you have to take some kind of decision कि अगर आप बुरा डिसीजन भी लो तो आपको थोड़ा सा स्वाद मिले, आपको पता चले कि ये करता हूँ या करती हूँ तो क्या होगा, और अगर आप अच्छा डिसीजन लेते हो या सही डिसीजन लेते हो तो आपको पता चले कि अच्छा मैं ये करती हूँ या करता हूँ तो ये होगा. So that is something that you need to decide and you will have to decide. Okay, that is it. Bye bye.